What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Project Racecar. We're going to be doing another video, and this time we're going to be reviewing the 335i. After a month of owning the car, I've gotten a feel for everything, the power and the clutch and manual, overall the good and bad about the car. I think the two best things about this car personally is the stage 2 Franken turbos and the catless downpipes. With them, you feel a lot more power in the car. The boost kicks on around 2500 RPM, so it is a little bit high. You get a lot of power from them. Gotta do it in the snow. So this car has 110,000 miles on it, which is a little bit high for just buying the car, but it hasn't shown any problems. It did have a lot of maintenance done, which I was really happy about. So it also has a upgraded charge pipe and a tile blow-off valve. I'm thinking it's around 400 horsepower, so I will get it dynoed here soon. So obviously the N54s are notorious for having some pretty big problems, like the high pressure fuel pump, wastegate rattle, oil filter housing, stuff like that. But as long as you replace them, then they're a monster of a car. I've had no problems with this one. It's been a good daily driver. Weird thing that happened to me the other day, I was driving and I did a pull, and the power steering pulley ended up shattering because people were saying on the forums that it was from bad motor mounts. And so the engine torqued and it shredded the pulley. I'll put a video up here right now. I shredded the belt. Luckily I was able to get it home before the belt like fully shredded, but Mr. Laxis. I was lucky enough to find what I was wanting in the 335, which was a 6-speed manual and the 2-door coupe. This one just happened to be heavily modified, but I only picked it up for $10,000. So it was a very, very, very good price, considering all the work that was done to it. the fraken turbos haven't given me any problems. No leaking or anything like that. But they hold boost really well and deliver it really well. The biggest problem that I've been having with this car is traction issues. I just put on new 255s in the rear, and if I'm full foot to the floor in second and third gear, I lose traction. Sick. Doc! That's not a duck, that's a pelican. I thought it was funny. If you guys are looking for mods to do for the N54, one of the first ones that I would recommend are downpipes and exhaust system. You will not regret it. Next thing that I'd recommend for upgrading is the charge pipe, since the stock one is just kind of, it's made out of plastic and it just doesn't hold anything. The only bad thing about N54s is they are said to be very unreliable. So you never know what's gonna break, but that's what keeps it fun. So I want to talk quick about what's next for the channel. I do want to get a dyno video, maybe do some DIYs, and just regular hooning. But I want to try to get in the habit of posting once a week. So if you guys want to see more content, stuff driving, you guys can always let me know what you guys want to see, and I will try to get that done. So subscribe for more content, give this video a like, and stay tuned for Project Racecar.